Hello friends, my name is Darshit Singh R. Parmar. This is a video tutorial on PYML BUF platform. That is nothing but the Python program for multi-layered build-up factors. This video tutorial is a part of Young Science Leadership 90 Days program by Dr. K.S. Mann. So let's get started. Here we have our platform. First we have to log in into the platform. So I have login. This platform is designed by Dr. Kulwinder Singh Mann and Sukhmanjit Singh Mann. This platform is calculating nearly equal to 36 gamma ray shielding parameters. So here we have references for that. This platform. These are the references for the platform. This is the information about the platform, introduction and significance and all points. But the main fact is which 36 gamma ray shielding parameters are calculated. So here we have the 36 gamma ray shielding parameters. Mass attenuation coefficient for different scattering, then for pair production, then equivalent atomic Z number, then effective atomic number for attenuation. So there are many parameters. Then we have multi-layered build-up factors for different formula like Lin-Jiang formula, Burke and Beck formula, Broder formula, Brown-Mann and Turbe formula, Carlos formula. Then we have correction factors, gamma ray shielding factors, K parameter. And the most beautiful thing of this platform is that results in data and graphs will be emailed to us, so we can analyze after that. So let's go to the help section. Here we have the description for how to use the platform. So here we have the table 1 for photons energy, then table 2 for elemental composition, and table 3 for compound composition. So I have magnifying images of that. So here we have the table 1 for gamma photons energy values for this platform. Here we have some energies from range of 0.015 to 15 MeV. Then we have another table. This table is the for elemental composition. We have different element like aluminium, iron, water, oleic acid. The type of material like aluminum is pure element, then its chemical composition, its elemental composition by atomicity or by weight fraction. So we can say for oleic acid it's a single compound, like water is compound. Then we have the multi compounds also like silicate glass or air. The third table is about compound composition like silicate glass. So it has the mixture of compounds. So we will use this table's information for calculation. So now let's see how to use this platform. So for calculation we have to enter the number of layers. Let's start with one layer by then submit. So then we have the option whether we should choose elemental composition or we want to choose compound composition. So let's go with elemental composition. Now we have the energy range, so we can select any of the energy range. Let's take 0.1 to 15 MeV. If you want any particular energy, then you should go for custom energies. Then we have the option, do you want to plot graphs? So if you want, then clicking yes. Then we have to write down the information of layer 1. So our layer 1 is, let's take the aluminum as layer. So density of aluminum would be 2.70 gram per centimeter cube, and the elements separated by spaces means just the symbol of aluminum, whether we want it by atomicity or by weight fraction. So let's select by atomicity, and atomicity of the elements in the same sequence, let's select 1. Then by submitting, so here platform calculating the results for us. It will take some time. Here are the symbol of the gamma ray shielding parameters. So these are shielding parameters. Result will be mailed to us. So just go to your mail account and check the results. Here I have extracted results. So here it's result. So these are results for aluminum. So these are the attenuation coefficient, then SNC, HUL, other shielding parameters, exposure, absorption, energy buildup factor. So you can check the results and analyze that. These are the energy range and energy buildup factor and energy buildup factor. K parameters and all for all energy range. So here we have plots from our results. So here are the plots for layer 1, and these are the parameter plots. So we are going to layer 1 plots. Here we have 6 different types of plots, like energy versus energy absorption buildup factor, energy versus energy buildup factor. So let's go to this one. So this is energy absorption buildup factor versus energy. Then we have another plots. This is energy buildup factor versus energy. This is K parameter versus thickness. This is layer 1 3D plot. This is all about thickness in centimeter, then log of energy and log of energy absorption buildup factor. This is again the 3D plot. Now these are the parameter plots. So for parameter plots we have 5 plots, like HVL versus energy, mass attenuation coefficient versus energy. So let's go to this plot. So this is mass attenuation coefficient versus energy. This is Z equivalent versus energy. So this is all about this platform. We can calculate the gamma ray shielding parameters for any of element or material or compound using this online platform. I want to acknowledge Dr. K.S. Mann and YSL team for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.